Hey everybody, welcome again to another video class. This is Ms Fran as always, and today's class is going to be very special because we're going to have one out of two science experiments. So, this week is Easter, and I have a secret to tell you. In Easter, we don't just eat chocolate eggs, we can also make amazing experiments. So, for example, today, I'm going to see the chemical reaction between baking powder and vinegar. Have you ever seen it? It is incredible. It starts to bubble and it's very fun and amazing to see all the colors. So, for this experiment, we need the baking powder, we need a spoon. I'm going to use a teaspoon. We need vinegar, food coloring, and of course the containers. So I'm going to use these little eggs. This is from a game, egg containers, and you can also use the eggshells, or you can have just a little cup and use also the egg cardboard. So first of all, we need to have a clean space, and we're going to open the containers. 1, 2, and 3. We are going to take the baking powder and we're going to put 1 teaspoon in each container. For this part, and every time you're going to be doing a science experiment, you need to always ask your mommy and your daddy for help, because some of these materials or ingredients are for grown-ups, so we need help. 1, 2, and 3. This step is very important because if we change the order of the materials, it doesn't bubble, or we won't have the same reaction that we want. So I'm going to take one by one the food coloring that I have. I have only 3, but if you have more at home and if you want to put some more, you are free to do it. I'm going to take the yellow, and in each container I'm going to put 10 drops. Okay, so let's count. Can you come with me? Yep. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. It's amazing how you know all your numbers. So smart. And now we're going to be scientists. Woohoo! Now, 10 of the green. Is it not green? Is this orange? No. Is this white? No. What color is it? It's blue. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Super. And now the last one, the red. Good. 10 drops as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. And now this is where fun begins. So we're going to put these ones oopsies on a side because we're ready. We're going to put the baking soda on a side, and we're going to take the vinegar. So I'm going to put it like this so you can see it. So here is the yellow drops. Here are the blue. Can you see it? Now let's see what happens when we pour the vinegar inside the container with the baking powder. Can you see? I'm going to put it closer to you. We got a rainbow! We got a rainbow! The vinegar along with the baking powder have this chemical reaction. Whenever they find each other, they will bubble. Oh my god, we're scientists now! Oh, this is so much fun! So, here I have only 3 colors of the rainbow. I have yellow, I have blue, and I have red. If you want, you can have more colors. You can have green, you can have purple, you can have orange, and also if you want more bubbles, you can put a little bit more of baking powder, baking soda, and you can pour a little bit more of vinegar inside the containers. So I do hope that you like this experiment very much, and if you try it at home, don't forget to record videos or pictures and send them to me, so then we can share with everybody and everybody will see that we're scientists now. So have fun!